everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I put up a post on my YouTube and Instagram accounts regarding a question and answer video that I was filming, and I asked you guys to ask me questions. So in this video I'm going to answer all your questions, and I also added some questions that I found online about the get to know me tag. So this video is going to be a get to know me tag plus a question and answer video combined. So firstly I'm going to answer the get to know me questions, and in the later part of the video I am going to answer the questions that you guys have asked me. So without any further blabbering, let's get into the video. So the first question is, what is your name and are you named after anyone? So my name is Divya, and yes, I am named after someone. So there was this actress called Divya Bharti, and my mom is a very big fan of hers, and ever since she watched her first movie, it was in her mind that she's gonna name her daughter Divya. So the second question is, what is your age? So currently I'm 21 and I am turning 22 on 11th of February. That is in 10 days. So the next question is, what is your relationship status? So I get this question a lot, I don't know why, but I am single currently, I'm not seeing anyone. The next question is, what is your favorite dish? So when I was younger I had like certain favorites, but as I'm growing older I don't think I have like favorites anymore. I like everything, but if I have to name a particular dish that is my favorite, it has to be Maggie. And Maggie is my first love, and I can have Maggie all 3 times of the day: breakfast, lunch, dinner. I can have it and still not get tired of it. That is how much I love it. So yeah. Next question is, do you earn from YouTube, and if yes, then how much? So at present, currently I don't earn anything from YouTube. Yes, I did earn $100 from YouTube a few months back, but since I did not upload any video in the previous year, I was not at all active on YouTube the entire previous year, like 2017. So yeah, my earnings went down totally, and currently I don't earn anything from YouTube. So now let's move on to the YouTube and Instagram questions. So prolific.music asks, what was the first dish that you ever made? So before answering this question, I just want to give a huge shout out to Prolific. He is an amazing rapper, he does a very good job, and I totally recommend that you should go out and check his channel. His channel would be linked in the description box below, so make sure you check it out, you won't be disappointed. So coming to the question, the first dish I made was, I think I made dal. As long as I remember, I made dal or bhindi. No, I chopped bhindi, but yeah, I made dal. Chauhan.apurva asks, how to avoid lumps in a soup. 2 things can be done to avoid lumps in a soup. Firstly, what you can do is use a whisk, obviously. Secondly, if you don't have a whisk, what you can do is you can empty bowl and add the soup powder into the bowl and slowly add water and make a thick paste. And when you achieve that thick paste consistency, then you can add in the remaining water and your soup would be like totally 100% lump free. So the next question is by MST_Piyush. So he asks, could you please make videos on how to make easy and yummy vegan dishes? I need it. Thank you for the suggestion, Piyush. And yes, my channel is vegetarian. I cook only vegetarian dishes, and I am planning to do vegan dishes very soon. And since the name of my channel is Easy Chef, I only put in easy videos that everyone can make. So yes, stay tuned, vegan dishes are coming your way very soon. So the next question is by Knockdown Specialist. He asks, do you study or work? So currently I'm in my last year of graduation. I would be a graduate in like 4 months. So currently I'm studying. The last question is by Being V. He says, not being such a foodie enthusiastic as you, but just saw your first video, what did it drive you to be a YouTuber at such a young age, and especially for food? So not a lot of you people know that I started my channel back in 2012. So it's been 7 years, and I didn't start my channel keeping this thing in mind that I would have a YouTube channel and I would make like regular videos. So I don't think at that time YouTube was like very popular. I wouldn't say it wasn't in the limelight, but yes, it wasn't as it is now. So it was my brother who, you know, was into all these things. So he was like, "Chal, मैं तेरी एक video बनाता हूँ, YouTube पे डाल देंगे." So I was like, okay. So that is the time when I uploaded my first video, and I didn't put up any videos after that. But after I think a few years, when I just went back to my channel and I saw there was like 15,000 views on my video, and I was like, what, 15,000 people want to watch me? And my brother was the only person who again motivated me to start making videos. So yeah, that is how I started my channel. So I hope I answered a few of your questions and you got to know me a little more better. And if you like this video, then do not forget to give it a like, and do subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes. And you can also follow me on my social media, which is Instagram and Facebook. So I would see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.